Welcome back class 10th. In exercise 7.1 now we learn how to find the type of the quadrilateral. Okay. See students, number 1 I am doing example first. To find what type of quadrilateral is this. These points are 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices. So let us give name A 3, 4, B 6, 7, C 9, 4 and D 6, 1. Clear? Now definitely we are getting these 4 vertices, means we get 4 sides. We will find AB equal to then BC equal to, then CD equal to, and AD equal to. Okay. After that we will see. After that we will decide what to do next. Okay. If our problem is solved by these 4, then we don't need to do further. AB. So see now we are very well known about the distance formula, that is under root x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. We must remember this formula. Okay students, please remember this formula. Now we can write directly now. See x2 minus x1, 6 minus 3 under root 6 minus 3, 3 square 9 plus 7 minus 4, 3 square 9. You got it is under root 18. Okay. BC again x2 minus x1, 9 minus 6, 3 square 9 plus 4 minus 7 minus 3 square 9 equal to under root 18. See students, very simple, very simple. Only you have to speak the formula. Okay. Now CD, see x2 minus x1, 6 minus 9 minus 3 square 9, 1 minus 4 minus 3 square 9. Okay, that is we got again under root 18. Now last A and D. Okay, 6 minus 3 under root 3 square 9 plus 1 minus 4 minus 3 square 9. You got under root 18. See here you got all sides are equal. If all sides are equal, then it can be rhombus or square. Then let us find the diagonal. Okay. See students, we name A, B, C, D. Let us draw diagram here. See. Please. A, B, C, D. We give this name. Clear? Now let us find AC and BD. Let us find AC. AC, now see A and C. AC. We can write coordinates here. Okay, A is 3, 4 and C is 9, 4. Here students, please now see, let us take 9 minus 3, 6 square 36 plus 4 minus 4, 0. You got under root 36. That is equal to 6. Clear? Now again BD. See BD. See B is what? Yours 6, 7 and D is what? 6, 1. Okay, now BD. See 6 minus 6, 0 square 0 plus 1 minus 7 minus 6 square 36. That is equal to under root 36. So equal to 6. Now here see diagonals are equal. Then we will write comment. All sides are equal and diagonals are equal. All sides are equal and diagonals are equal. Therefore ABCD is square. Students, we must know the properties of quadrilateral. Any quadrilateral with all sides equal and diagonals equal, that is square. Clear? Now we will take second. Okay, give names to this point A, B, C, D. Okay, again draw diagram. A, B, C, D. Find all sides AB. AB equal to, see, x2 minus x1, 1 minus plus 1, 2 square 4 under root 4 plus 0 minus plus 2 to square 4, that is equal to under root 8. Okay. Now BC, see, minus 1 minus 2 square 4 plus 2 minus 0 2 square 4 equal to under root 8. Okay. Now see CD, see, minus 3 minus plus 1 minus 2 square 4 plus 0 minus 2 square 4, you got under root 8. Students, understanding this, distance formula is known to you, x2 minus x1 bracket square, y plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. Now next AD, under root, see, minus 3 minus plus 1 minus 2 square 4 plus 0 minus plus 2 square 4, that is equal to under root 8. Clear? Got it? Now see again, all sides are equal. Now after that, all sides are equal, then we must find diagonals. Let us join BD and AC. See, now we will take AC, A and C. Minus 1 minus plus 1, 0 square 0 plus 2 minus plus 2 4, that is equal to under root 4 means 2. Now BD, see, BD, B and D. Now see, minus 3 minus 1 minus 4 square. Okay students, minus 4 square 16. Okay, plus 0 minus 0 square, this, that you got 4. Clear? See now, AC and BD are different. So AC and BD are different. Students, look here. AC equal to 2. Again once check again. Minus 1 minus plus 1, 0 square 0. 2 minus plus 2 4 square 16. Again now we will do example number 2. See, second part of the example. Minus 1 minus 2 1 0 minus 1 0 minus 1 2 minus 3 0. Let us mark A B C D. Okay. Now draw diagram A B C D. Now we will find AB. See, AB 1 minus plus 1 2 square 4 plus 0 minus plus 2 square 4 root 8. BC minus 1 minus 2 square 4 plus 2 minus 0 2 square 4 under root 8. CD minus 3 minus plus 1 minus 2 square 4 plus 0 minus 2 square 4 root 8. AD minus 3 minus plus 1 minus 2 square 4 plus 0 minus plus 2 4 minus plus 2 square 4 under root 4. So all sides are equal. If all sides are equal, then we must check the diagonals. See, AC, let us find AC. A and C, minus 1 minus plus 1 0 square 0 plus 2 minus plus 2 4 square 16 equal to under root 16, that is equal to 4. Okay. Now BD, see, minus see students, all sides are equal. Now if all sides are equal, then we must check the diagonals. Let us take AC and BD. Okay, let us take AC and BD. See, now look, I am taking AC. AC equal to under root, see, minus 1 minus plus 1 0 plus 2 minus plus 2 4 square 16, that is equal to under root 16, so equal to 4. Clear? Now BD, see, BD under root B and D, minus 3 minus 1 minus 4 square 16 plus 0 minus 0 0, you got under root 16, so equal to 4. We got diagonals are equal. Then see, all sides are equal. And diagonals are equal. Therefore, ABCD is square. Therefore, quadrilateral ABCD is square. Clear, students? Please see, this is very easy just to remember the distance formula, right? Now we will take third part of the example number 6. Okay, see again 4 points. Give name A, B, C, D. Clear? Now fine. See, you can draw a pre-and diagram. Whatever it is, we don't know what is diagram, but we will draw quadrilateral ABCD. Okay. Now see, first we will find AB. Very simple. See, x2 minus x1, 7 minus 4, 3, 3 square 9, under root 9, plus 6 minus 5, 1, 1 square 1, equal to under root 10. Now BC, see, BC, 4 minus 7 minus 3 square 9, plus 3 minus 6 minus 3 square 9, equal to under root 18. Okay. Now next we are getting CD. CD. 1 minus 4 minus 3 square 9, plus 2 minus 3 1, 1 square 1, that is equal to under root 10. Now what is left? AD. AD. See now AD. 1 minus 4 minus 3 square 9, plus 2 minus 5 minus 3 square 9, that is equal to under root 18. See student, now in this third part you will see AB equal to CD and AD equal to BC. You see, if opposite sides are equal, then it can be parallelogram. Yes or no? See, now we will find diagonals. Now see, opposite sides are equal. After finding that if opposite sides are equal, it can be parallelogram, it can be rectangle. Okay, diagonal. From that we will come to know very clear what is diagonal. AC equal to C. AC, A and C. 4 minus 4 0, under root 0 square 0, plus y2 minus y1. 3 minus 5 minus 2 square 4. Okay, that is equal to under root 4. That is equal to 2. Then BD under root C. BD 1 minus 7 minus 6 square 36. Okay, plus now 2 minus 6 minus 4 square 16. So you are getting it now. 52 under root 52. Please check this properly. BD, B and D. 1 minus 7, 6 square 36. Okay. Plus 2 minus 6 minus 4 square 16. So we got it 52. Okay. So clearly diagonals are different. Opposite sides are equal and diagonals are different, then it is parallelogram. So opposite sides are equal and diagonals are not equal, then ABCD is parallelogram. Clear students? These properties we must remember and you all know this. Please I will give you 2-3 examples of the same type to you to practice. Okay students? Fine. See the video 2 times and understand and solve yourself without seeing. Very good.